This is going to be another one of those extremely short flights. I'm in Homestead, Florida, and I'm just going to take off on runway 10 and land on 9 uniform. From a paved runway to a grass runway. So let's go. Let's do the run up real quick. Let's see what the weather's like over here.
Homestead General Aviation Airport, automated weather observation 1640 Zulu weather. Wind 100 at 7. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few clouds at 3,200. Temperature 29 Celsius. 2.21 Celsius. Altimeter 3000. Remarks. Density altitude 1,600.
So good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure. Both tanks are full on the left tank. Full ridge, pump is on. Circuit breakers are in. Let's go to 2,000 RPM. Five and a half on the vacuum. Good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure. Both tanks are full on the left tank. Idle. Carb heat off. Homestead traffic, Cherokee taking runway 10. Homestead.
Approaching runway 10. Entered runway 10. 2,900 feet remaining.
Homestead traffic, Cherokee, upwind 10, Homestead. Okay, that's 500 left traffic.
Unicom, this is November 21690. Wanted to get a check on which runway we are landing on. I assume it's runway 17. Over.
I can tell you that the aircraft which just took off on 10. Hosted.
Homestead traffic, Cherokee, left downwind 10, actually 9 uniform, the grass strip, Homestead.
Homestead traffic 979 above a Tango is passing west of the field, northbound 2,000 feet, Homestead.
Don't turn the pump off because we're just going to 9 uniform. Not gonna do it.
Hokie Unicom, this is November 2169.
The general traffic, Beast Bonanza, departing 10, and we'll be departing traffic pattern to the north.
17.
Good luck. We don't have a 17, we have a 18.
Okay, I must be looking at an old map. Thank you.
Homestead traffic, Cherokee, left base, 9 uniform, Homestead.
Beast Bonanza, just departing 10, passing through 300 feet, taking a left turn to 1,000 feet northbound.
Homestead traffic, Cherokee final, 9 uniform, grass strip, Homestead.
Was that not the most fun you've ever seen?